What's up, Savage Gang? It's your boy Dunbeezy, and today we're going to be learning another jam skate fundamental. Our move for today is known as the swipes. So the swipes are like level 1.5, and in order to do the swipes, I strongly suggest that you understand how to do the hex. If you don't know how to do a hex, please check out the link here or the card here. I don't know which side it's going to be on. Boom. So let's break it down and let's see how we're going to be doing the swipes. Step one, just like with the hex, I want you to squat down, put your hands on the sides of your body, your left and your right, and I want you to slide your feet out to the front. Bring them in for the hex. After I do the hex, my body is straight for the hex because I'm balancing with my hands on my left and my right. For our swipe, you're gonna be balancing on one hand.
Oh my God! Wow!
One hand. So you're here, arms down, you're gonna turn to your right and you're going to shift your hips out. You don't want to have like one arm down, you're trying to turn to your right and your hips are to the front. You're gonna shift your hips out to the right, you're gonna balance on the side. Now here's the important part, your feet are here. You're coming out the hex. You're gonna take your foot, since we're going to the right, your right foot's gonna go back, your left foot's gonna go forward. You're gonna push your left foot forward, you're gonna drag your right foot back. Your left foot is gonna drag on all four wheels. They're gonna be flat on the ground. But your right foot, the one going back, is gonna be on the toe. And so it goes whoom, whoom. And then you're gonna drag it back and you come back to the front. And from here, you can really do whatever you want. For this tutorial, I'm gonna be pushing my feet out, doing another hex and doing a swipe in the other direction. Instead of tilted to your right and balancing on your right hand, you're gonna tilt to your left, you're gonna balance on your left hand. You can slide, and I know a lot of jam skaters slide, but I don't personally slide. I practice on concrete. It's gonna hurt my equipment before it hurts my body. It's gonna tear up the side of my skates, it's gonna tear up my pants, and I don't drag the toes of my skates on the ground either, because I just noticed that, like, love them to death, but like the vanilla jam skate toes are not made to last. When I first started jam skating, the balance is different for my spin from my rhythm skates. And so I'll like try to spin and I was dragging my toe. I messed my toe up. It looked like one of the strings on the stitching of my toe like kind of broke, and then I started getting very worried about the stitching of the whole boot, and I was just like, you know what, like this isn't even I see a lot of people with moves like that, but I don't do it. And another thing that I see is like I'm pretty sure a lot of jam skaters, they get skates often because like their skates are messing up. Like I don't really have that option right now. I don't have the option to just buy another pair of skates, because I could buy the skates, but I wouldn't be able to get them because I'm living abroad. Like it'd be very difficult for me to get anything through customs. It's always a hassle. So it's like, I can't be messing my skates up. And then just the reality of where I practice, it really forces me to understand how I roll, understand how my body changes position, how am I gonna shift my weight. And I think that is the fundamental understanding that you need to have when you're taking things to groundwork. Not knowing how to get on the ground. What I do, the way that I teach, I got a lot of ways to get on the ground. I can get on the ground, I can just jump. Maybe I might do a split, maybe I might do a couple moves. But when I'm practicing, I just put my hands down beside my body, I squat really, really low, and I push my feet directly out to get on the ground. Keep it simple. To get off the ground, I do the same thing. I push my feet out, I put my feet back in, I stand under my body, and I stand straight up. Keep it simple. Another common mistake that I see, people not understanding where they want their feet to go. And like, that's very understandable. That's why I really want you to go back, watch, and just really think about each and every move. I break it down a couple times. The third thing is your body might not be strong enough for this one. This is a lot like doing a lateral plank, or like, you know, one of the planks where you put your arm on your side. You start off from push-up position, then you put your arm on the side. But this is a little different. This is like holding that and jumping your feet forward and back. So it's actually like a calisthenics move. And I'm gonna give you a couple exercises to kind of help you learn this. So what I practice a lot is I practice my plank a lot, and then I go to side plank a lot. So while I hold my side plank, when I'm in side plank, there's a couple things that you can do. You can practice jumping your feet back and forth. That's one way. A lot of times I lift my leg up because I'm working on my flares right now. That's just a position that I'm working a lot. Well, anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. If you like the video, you want to help a brother out, please like, please subscribe. I'm gonna say that again for the people that didn't understand that. Please like and please subscribe or share and comment down below anything you want to learn. Until next time, adios, Savage Gang.
Bye.